There are laws and rules that trouble the land. God is going to use you in your family, in your community, in your nation, in your territory, to alter the course of history, to rewrite the laws of the land.
Today, we set that satanic altar on fire in the name of Jesus.
It doesn't matter the verdict. No verdict is final. Refuse to accept your current situation as your final destination. If they say nobody in this family can become this, I am the first one to tell the devil that I am going against that law. I am breaking that rule. I am breaking that convention. I am going against that agenda.